Hello guys, my name is Mercy and you are welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make these simple scrambled eggs with milk. If this is the first time you are coming to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please consider to like, subscribe, because I'll be posting recipes like this every week. And to my current subscribers, thank you very much for supporting and watching all our videos. So we start with cracking the eggs open into a bowl, into a deep bowl. After that, I'll go ahead to add half tablespoon of salt. Then I'll add a little milk, about 20 ml into it. I'm adding this milk because I want the scrambled egg to be really light and fluffy. So after adding them, I'll whisk it until bubble starts showing on the top of the eggs. Then I'll go ahead and put my butter on a pan, and I make sure that the heat is very low, because one of the secrets of getting a very good scrambled egg is cooking it slowly on a low heat. So after that, once my butter has melted, I'll go ahead and pour in the egg and use a spatula to start moving the eggs around the pan bit by bit to make sure that nothing stucks on the bottom of the pan. So you go on like this gradually and it will be cooking very slowly. The good thing about scrambled egg, it's one of those dishes that does not discriminate. It's enjoyed by people of all ages, and you can serve it for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. I mean, there is no special time or perfect time for eating scrambled eggs. So that is a good thing, and aside that, it's very affordable, and it's one of the cheapest source of protein you can get across the globe. So as you're turning it, is cooking gradually, and at this point it's almost as good as ready. And one thing is, once the egg is ready now, I'm not going to leave it in the pan. I'll go ahead and dish it out, because once I leave it in the pan, it will continue cooking and it will make the egg to get so stiff, and it will no longer be that light, yummy and fluffy scrambled eggs that you all enjoy. So right now the scrambled eggs is ready. I'm going ahead to enjoy it with bread, and I add some vegetables into it and a cup of tea. What we call tea in Nigeria is actually a hot chocolate swirled in a milk. Thank you very much for watching up to this point. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.